Gumball 3000 2009. We have some interesting car here. We're at the Hard Rock Cafe in Vegas. We have a car, SSC or something. It's a car with a higher top speed than Enzo. It's driven by Jimmy, who's in Heroes program, and his friend's car. And we have a Bugatti here, and we see Justice taking pictures. The guy with Bugatti is from Dallas, and he's going to switch to a 599 once he gets to Dallas. And we have all sorts of cars. Justice and I wish we took our Lambos or Ferraris. Certainly there's no Scuderia here, but the Team USA cars are really a hit over here.
It's the accent. They all love that British accent.
Now this is really good work. And Frankie and Mitch's car right next to our car, Patriot 2. They couldn't find their key, so they may be stranded here for a while. And we're back to Patriot 1. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the eagle. We had to call Max Cooper, the owner of Gumball 3000, to have an exception to let eagles to show. The stripes don't go over the eagle. And we have 430 coupe over there. Maserati, Porsches, Bentley GTs. Some drifters, Murcielago 360, and some loud noise here. 430 NXX, Corvette over there. Quite a few Mercedes SLs this year, and we have this Z8, which is British Patriot car. They came in with two cars, the Z8 and the S500, 550. And here's Max Cooper's car, Jaguar. Very pretty. Last year is like kind of 101 Dalmatian type of cover. This year is a medium gray wrap. Very nice done. We was told there's no AC nor power steering, so but he did very fast. This is for the guys, Gumball 3000 2009. We're at Hard Rock Cafe parking lot. For the guys at home, here's a 430 Spider, no, 430 Coupe. And we have a fully wrapped 560, LP 560 R8. And here's the beautiful Jaguar. All the V8 engine, everything. Got it out, everything's new. I heard he did 140 miles yesterday. Actually, that's the owner talking to Justice. Here's gold wrapped Bugatti Veyron. Beautiful. And in the background over there, there's a, I think it's a Prius. Prius back home passed me on the 280 scooter on the regular basis, but not here. So far, 2 days into the thing, very enjoyable. And we'll report back. Okay, off to Hoover Dam.
See, we're coming to the dam, so it's time to record it. Wow. Now we should say, wow, look at the dam. Hey, look at that guy. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, Gumball. Gumball.
Did you have monster drink today?
Go monster drink. Woo. Hey. Wow, first time. We're hitting the Hoover Dam at 15 miles an hour.
Oh, well, I think it's 16.
waving his arms. Wait, Gumball? Is he Gumball? Gumball? Turn, go! No, gotta come back. All right.
Okay. Didn't see that.
He's not wearing a Gumball shirt. What about?
Always continue to fill.
Yeah, are you gonna cross the dam?
Okay.
All right.
Oh, we can cross the dam?
You have no choice. You're
Okay.
crossing the dam.
Okay.
Then you're coming back.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. All right. So we're leaving Nevada. When we cross the dam, we'll be in Arizona.
Is it?
Yes, and two different time zones. So they have a clock on this side. It says Nevada time. You see on the tower there? It says Nevada time.
I see.
And then on the other side, there'll be a tower that says Arizona.
This is
time.
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam. I tell you, you know, for that guy, he should have had a guy with a Gumball shirt on waving us down.
Right.
Because that was ridiculous. He could have been anybody.
Echo bad.
Keep this on?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Let him cross, huh? Alright.
Echo bad.
You know, there's a problem here. The problem is this camera is mounted so low that it looks up over the dash, and we don't see what's in front of us. You get the roof of the car in front of you, you get the rock above them. You can't film what's at street level with this camera.
Is it really?
Yeah, really.
What does it see?
You see it's too low, so you get the roof of the car. You see the,
I see.
and the head of the people.
Do we do a turn here or?
You can't not turn around here. You're in a national security zone, so you're gonna have to go up to this parking lot and turn around and come back.
We have just arrived at Hoover Dam. We're parking at parking structure at the top level. Again, it's all Gumball parking. And, well, we didn't find a good parking space. We just parked at the front. Looks pretty cool. And it's a Rolls Royce from, for the folks from Qatar. See lots of nice cars here at Hoover Dam.
Bye there, everyone. Yes, Sherman.
Here's
Hey, Sherman, what's up, buddy?
Hey, how's it
You
going?
having a good time?
Absolutely. How
Are we
about
gonna
you?
do this again next year?
Probably, yeah. Why not? Yeah. Okay. Where's lunch? We're on a Gumball rally, and now we're at Hoover Dam. Really spectacular. Look at this. Man-made wonder. We're walking through the whole dam, and it's on Nevada side. We're going to Arizona side.
Sherman?
Yeah.
Where are we?
We're in Arizona.
And where are we going now?
We're going to Sedona.